A bad penny always turns up. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link. A fool and his money are soon parted. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A penny saved is a penny earned. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Actions speak louder than words. All cats love fish but hate to get their paws wet. All good things come to those who wait. All's well that ends well. An eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Any port in a storm. Beauty is only skin deep. Better late than never. Birds of a feather flock together. Blood is thicker than water. Brevity is the soul of wit. Business before pleasure. Cheaters never win and winners never cheat. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Don't burn the candle at both ends. Don't count your chickens before they're hatched. Don't cross a bridge until you come to it. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Don't let the cat out of the bag. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Doubt is the beginning, not the end, of wisdom. Empty vessels make the most noise. Every stick has two ends. Eye for an eye and tooth for a tooth. Fools rush in where angels fear to tread. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Give the devil his due. Good fences make good neighbors. Good things come in small packages. Hard work never hurt anyone. Haste makes waste. He who lives by the sword shall die by the sword. Honey catches more flies than vinegar. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. If you lie down with dogs, you will get up with fleas. If you play with fire, you'll get burned. If you want to judge a man's character, give him power. In the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. It takes both rain and sunshine to make rainbows. It's no use crying over spilled milk. It's never too late to mend. Judge not, lest ye be judged. Keep your friends close and your enemies closer. Let sleeping dogs lie. Life is what you make of it. Lose an hour in the morning and you'll be running after it all day. Many hands make light work. Mighty oaks from little acorns grow. Misfortunes never come singly. Monkey see, monkey do. Music is the proper fruit of knowledge. No woman gets an orgasm from shining the kitchen floor. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. One father is more than 100 schoolmasters. One rotten apple spoils the whole barrel. Patience wears away stones. Practice makes perfect. Proportion your expenses to what you have, not what you expect. Slow and steady wins the race. Some men go through a forest and see no firewood. Speak the truth and shame the devil. Sticks and stones will break my bones, but names will never hurt me. Success has many fathers, failure is an orphan. The darkest hour is just before the dawn. The grass is always greener on the other side. The longest mile is the last one home. There is none so blind as those who will not see. There is no time like the present. To everything, there is a season. Two wrongs don't make a right. Worry often gives a small thing a big shadow. You are never too old to learn. You can't beat him. Join him. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. You cannot make an omelet without breaking a few eggs. You never know what you can do until you try. You're never too old to learn.